What's your name?
My name is Quyên. I was born in Virginia province. I'm 21 years old. I was born in 1996.
So young. So what's your university?
I'm the third year student at UMBA.
UFBA. And your major?
My major is accounting.
Accounting. And I'm sure that you want to become accountant in the future. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then questions for you. How would you describe yourself?
Friendly,
Talkative, friendly,
humorous,
humorous,
hardworking,
hardworking.
introverted, and extroverted.
It means a word in introvert and extroverted person.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. Okay. The next question is for you. What characteristic do you think an accountant would have?
I think an accountant must have careful,
Careful,
honest,
honest,
hardworking,
hardworking,
introverted, and loyal.
loyal. Good. Okay, the next question is for you. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music and read books.
So, what kind of music?
I listen to K-pop, P-pop, and even UK music.
Yeah. Can you tell me the name of the favorite singer in Vietnam? Favorite singer in Vietnam? Favorite singer.
My idol is Vitam.
Oh, Mika, yeah. Do you like Santung MTP?
No.
Yeah. She really like SCP. Okay. Okay, is there some other hobbies or sport would you like to try in the future?
I would like to try really mountain, maybe basketball, climbing mountain.
Yeah. High this mountain. Yeah, I know. Why do you choose to climb a mountain?
Because climbing mountain is sport. How you improve your health and reduce stress after school.
After school. Yeah. Okay, we have at least 5 healthy foods. Can you tell me?
Firstly, garlic.
Garlic.
Eat good in degree, good for the digestion. Secondly, fish.
Fish.
Support omega-3.
Omega 3,
Good
6,
for
9.
the eye and for the heart.
Hearts. Yeah, I know.
Thirdly, broccoli
Broccoli.
contain vitamin K,
Vitamin A, C,
vitamin C, and vitamin E.
vitamin C. Yeah.
Good for the skin.
Yeah.
Probiotic.
Nutritious.
Good for children.
Yeah. And the last,
Omega-3.
omega 3. Fish oil. It means fish oil. Omega 3.
Improve eye health and prevent cancer.
Prevent cancer.
And good for the brain and the heart.
Okay. Can you Vietnamese bread? How to make Vietnamese bread?
Today I want to tell you how to make Vietnamese bread. Firstly, you must prepare some ingredients.
Yes.
Bread,
Bread.
pork pie,
Pork pie.
hot dog, and carrots, cucumber, parsley, ground vegetable, mayonnaise, and chili sauce. Secondly, you chop chili, carrot, cucumber, parsley, ground vegetable, pork pie, and hot dog.
Yeah.
Next,
It means you chop slice. Yes, slice. Cucumber, carrot, pork pie, and hot dog.